everyone, and welcome to week 12 of 15 of quantitative reasoning. I wanted to make a quick video because we have a lot going on this week and we are starting to round out the semester. So this week in class we're going to be covering lessons 14A and B and 15A and B. And we're also going to be starting to work on your Unit 4 project, which is how we are going to assess this last unit. We still do have a final, but for Unit 4 you only have a project option. So I made a little to-do list to help keep you guys on track. So you'll be completing your preview and practice assignments when appropriate. Please make sure you're making up any work. I need you guys to start looking at your Unit 4 project and completing the Unit 4 discussion board. I'll go through that with you guys in just a minute. I also need you guys to please complete the student survey and to update our Google form, so I highlighted everything in yellow. So I mentioned that for this unit we're going to be doing a project, so let's quickly take a look at that. So I did redesign this so it looks maybe a little different than what you're used to. So please just go through, read each tab. For this project you're going to be conducting a statistical study, so you're going to ask at least 20 people the question of your choice, which is what the discussion board is going to help you with. Then you're going to carry out either an observational or experimental study. So please note, if you decide to do an experimental study, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you get started on this project earlier then. And then you're going to analyze and report your results. So here are the directions. You can also print them out, which I highly recommend. I also recommend that you guys give this video a watch and also look through this example so you know what exactly we're looking for, so you guys can get the most points possible. And then again, just kind of like a little checklist in the rubric, so check yourself as you go, so that way you can get maximum points for each section. And then you'll turn in your work down here. So I mentioned before that we're going to be doing a discussion board to help get you guys started. Sorry, I have something in the way of my clicking. We'll go this way. Alright, so I did link it into your announcements. For some reason I have something in the way and I can't click us back to the main page. So under activities and discussions, we can also find our discussion board that you guys are going to participate in. So for this discussion board, I need you to please by the 17th at 8:30, what I need you to post is 1, the question that you're interested in using for your study, and then 2, how you plan to carry out your study. And then I will approve your question and your plan by November 21st at 11:59. So you do have 2 options on how you can interact with this discussion board. So you can either do a text response or you can do a video response. Either is perfectly fine with me, whichever you're more comfortable with. Take a look through each other's posts as you're doing them. It can help you guys generate some ideas. There we go. Again, I did link this back into your announcements so you can get through it right from there. And again, please make sure you guys are keeping up with all your work. So on the 13th is when Unit 1 stuff closes. Unit 2 stuff will close the 22nd. Again, why I'm closing these off is so you guys aren't getting near the end of the semester and then getting overwhelmed with everything. So I'm going to start scaffolding that. But we're almost there, guys. So let's finish out this semester strong. And if you need anything, please let me know. Send me an email, come to office hours, or we can chat after class. I hope to see you guys all on Tuesday.